Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set your screen color back to normal on your Android smartphone. So maybe you've accidentally enabled or turned on color inversion. I'm going to show you guys how to just set it back to normal. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the settings gear button. And then go down and select the accessibility tile. And then you want to go under display where it says color and motion and select that. And then where it says color inversion at the top, make sure that is turned off. So if it's currently on, make sure it's toggled to the left here, which is off. And you also may want to have the color inversion shortcut disable that too, just in case you accidentally are clicking on it. So that's something to take a look at. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.